Hey everyone, in this video we'll use CSS modules in React. CSS modules are a way to write CSS that is scoped to a single component. This means that you can write CSS that only applies to a specific component without worrying about it affecting other components on the page. For an example, here I have two components. Each of them contains a paragraph with the same class. In each of them I included a separate CSS file. In each of the CSS files, I gave the paragraph a different color. But yet, both of the components turn out to be in the same color. So let's fix it using CSS modules. To get started, create CSS files for your components and add the module attribute to your style to enable the CSS modules. Now let's give the different color property for each of them. You will also need to input the CSS files into your JavaScript code using the import statement. As you can see, we are using the style object to reference our CSS name. This ensures that the styles are scoped to our component and won't affect other components on the application. And that's it. Thanks for watching.